Hi dear boss, this is Christia from YUTANK. Today we are testing the 100 times UV sterilizer. Come and get closer, let me give you the description. The flow rate is 100 times per hour. This is the water inlet, and water goes through the UV sterilizer. Here is the outlet. And inside we have 9 pieces of the 150 watts UV lamp. The UV lamp quantity and the power can do the custom. And we will also set you the control box. You can use the mechanical control for this equipment's operation. It is really easy to operate. When you got the package, you just need to connect the electricity wire and then you can operate. Really friendly to the new beginner. So the material we are using the UPVC material. The size and the diameter can do the custom, and the size of the water inlet and outlet all support customization. Welcome to contact us for more details.